Okay everyone, so what we're going to look at now is a hip flexor stretch. Okay, so you may have seen this stretch being done by people, but again, if you want to put a little bit of a mat underneath your knees, that's absolutely fine for comfort, depending obviously what's going on in those knees. So I'm just going to take a step up here. Okay, so ankles in line with my knee, knees in line with my hip, and I'm just trailing my foot out behind me, sort of top of the foot on the floor. So what you may have seen people do, obviously, with little stretches, they just lean into it here, okay? That's fine. You will get a little bit of work going off in sort of those rectus femoris, your thighs, this. But what I actually want to do is involve that bit of that pelvic tilt again. So from the top position, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tilt my hip forward, okay? So you should feel, you should see that things move a little bit in my hip. So once we've gone there, then we can start slowly coming forward here. And you should feel a stretch up in sort of the groin area here. So this is where we're aiming for the hip flexors. So it's deep inside the inner thigh here, going up into sort of the lower psoas and all up into the rest of the hip flexors there. So I'm just going to hold here for 20 seconds. And then we'll repeat on the other side. So we always want to try and get into that posterior pelvic tilt. Because remember, the pelvis is already set back in that anterior. So we need to retrain it, and then we're just going to try and get a stretch in the hip flexor. Now, because you've Donald Duck syndrome, the hip flexor is going to be extremely tight. In most cases, it may not be all the time. And then even sometimes, stretching is sometimes mistaken, and it needs strength instead. So, particularly with the psoas muscle, which connects up into the lower back, causing pain. So sometimes it's not actually a stretching exercise that it needs to happen, it's a strengthening exercise. So that's that one, guys. So 20 seconds each side. You can build up to 30 seconds. Again, put a mat underneath your knees, whatever's comfortable for you, and then we'll move on to the next exercise.